All right, everybody. Good morning. I'm Vice Forecaster JD Rapp with you in the Breaking Weather Center this morning. Just going to give you just in the afternoon hours. I'm Vice Forecaster. Today is January 10th, 2021, and I'm taping this at 12:15. We'll give you a winter storm update. Cut in just a quick on the situation, what we've been having. Nothing really bad going on, but we got some reports of heavy snowfall. Winter storm warnings can still continue tomorrow morning, and reports off to you what we got so far. We had one report of heavy snow in Drayton area, so that just down here in Texas shows you almost heavy snow. So that just tells you we've been getting some very heavy precipitation. That's almost 5 inches, and they're showing you some reports of 4 inches still snow showering. Starting to get from different areas about 2.5, 3 inches is still going on. 3 inches have been falling since 11:30 this morning. Still got a measurement of 7.5. So that'll be down here in Texas area. So yeah, definitely if you don't have to travel today, just don't. Some of these roads could get pretty slick. Let's see, 3.5 still there, and 4 inches on roads still. 3 inches, 2 inches has been reported still in the Fort area. So yeah, definitely there's been snow. I am going to take a look at this. There has been one report this afternoon as some sleet. And I can take that in there a little deeper so you can see there is this. We only have one report today of sleet coming in, and it's about 2.5, very little. So it's not much sleet to work with. So that's a good thing. Animate things one more time. Continue to have snow. We'll continue to keep you updated on this today. And one more thing I'm going to do while we're on air. Why that keeps going off. So here, I'm going to shrink this and go to my other things here and go to the weather services here, and the weather service this issued the most of the morning winter weather advisories plus winter storm warnings are continuing. This is expire. Read the text. Part of it will expire this evening, and part of it goes through the nighttime hour. So, I mean, it'll expire around 6 a.m. What to expect out of this heavy snowmaker. And I will switch here to this. It takes time to load. Alright. Said 3 to 5 inches is expected sometimes. You know, and that's what we got in place. We could see some places receive 3 to 5 inches with some isolated pockets, receiving 8 inches. I don't think we'll see 8 inches of snow out of that. So we would have to keep in mind that, that this one of the solutions they're saying. And also winter weather advisories that go into effect. That means we can see snow up to 1 inch, 1 to 3 inches. So slow down, use the caution while driving and travel. I mean, you could probably make it in certain spots today if you just slow down and use your headlights. But, there's no way you could travel with that. Snow timings continuing this morning. I'll read the timing off to you while we're on air. Let's see, at 5 a.m. today, that already passed. The noon, then we'll see noon to 3. Then it should be kind of winding down tonight. And also, here's snow amounts. And some of the graphics are starting to see 4 to 6. There might be over here in the second column at 8 and 9 or 10, but that's just in an isolated spot. You see that much. So here's some winter weather driving tips. You just use the caution while driving. This just tells you what it can do. and this just tells you how you measure your snow also. But like I said, this is just a follow-up update. Winter storm warnings are in effect out here in Texas. This goes in effect at 6 p.m. this evening, and also we could, I mean, if you like the that runs in effect, this one could be more of a one to snow accumulation up to 1 inch. So definitely, I mean, not much with that. So the ones south areas, you could get a little bit more. So please, just be careful on the roads today. Make sure you get the snow plows and stuff a little bit more of a way to drive. We'll keep you updated. I promise this is not going to shut you down forever. This is just a recent winter storm with reports coming in. Looking at radar one more time, just some light precipitation. We'll give you updates very often. I'll even cut in when I see reports come in today. Right now, I'm USA Vice Forecaster JD Rapp. We'll continue to break in today and let you know if we have any more reports.